Good morning, students. Joined with your social science teacher, Joseph Linos. Today I am going to present a topic in civics, first unit, how the state government works. State legislature. The state legislature consists of the governor and one or two houses. The upper house is called the Legislative Council, while the lower house is called the Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly. The candidate must be a citizen of India. He or she must be 25 years and above. The candidate must be of sound mind. He or she must be an elector for any constituency in the state he is representing from. Chief Minister. The governor appoints the leader of the majority party in the state legislative assembly as the chief minister. He is the head of the state council of ministers. Powers and functions. The chief minister is the chief administrator of the state. All major decisions of the state government are taken under his leadership. The chief minister plays an important role in the formation of the council of ministers. On the advice of the chief minister, the governor appoints the other ministers. The chief minister supervises the activities of different ministries and advises them accordingly. He also coordinates the activities of different ministries. The chief minister plays an important role in making policies of the state government ensuring public interest. His voice is final in policy decision of the state government. The governor appoints different higher officials of the state government on the advice of the chief minister and his council of ministers. Council of Ministers. The party which gets majority seats in the election forms the government. The leader of the majority party in the election is chosen as chief minister. The chief minister chooses his ministers from the MLAs of his party. On the advice of the chief minister, the governor appoints the other ministers. Council of Ministers headed by the chief ministers from the state government. Power and function of the Legislative Assembly. The main duty of the Legislative Assembly is to make laws for the state. It can make law on the subjects mentioned in the state list and the concurrent list. However, during state emergency, it cannot exercise its legislative power. The Assembly has control over the State Council of Ministers. The State Council of Ministers are responsible or answerable to the Assembly for its activities. The Assembly may pass a no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers if it is not satisfied with the performance of the Council of Ministers. The Legislative Assembly has control over the finance of the state. A money bill can be introduced only in the Assembly. The government cannot impose, increase, lower or withdraw any tax without the approval of the Assembly. The elected members of the Legislative Assembly can take part in the election of the President of India, and all members can take part in the election of the members of the Rajya Sabha from the state. The Assembly also takes part in the amendment of the Constitution on certain matters. So, the government has three basic functions: making laws, executing laws, and ensuring justice. Power and function of the High Court. The High Court has been empowered to issue writs, the habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto for the enforcement of fundamental rights and for his purpose. Every High Court has a general power of superintendence over all the lower courts and tribunals within its jurisdiction. If a case is pending before a subordinate court and the High Court is satisfied that it involves a substantial question of the constitutional law, it can take up the case and decide it itself. The High Court controls all the subordinate courts in the state. Like the Supreme Court, the High Court also acts as a court of record. Thank you, students.